joint production. So I thank them right here and now for supporting this effort. Our finding is, what you will see, is that both systems are large, both are very different. Both we feel now are feasible in the base scenarios. Both have large populations who've been looking at these main canals for many years and have been wondering what these main canals were for. You will find out what I mean with that. I can say that those farmers, those rain-fed farmers, have been smelling the water for many years, and that they are now hoping and waiting for that water to come, and we will show you that that is the case. Let me start. We have two systems. For some reason we started in Tankersan first, so Pre-Chick is second. That doesn't mean that Pre-Chick is less important. As we went first to Tankersan in January and early February to Pre-Chick. Okay, so we know where that is. Kampong Tom is closer by, 3 hours by car by now with the road improved. Battambang is still 5 hours away. So both are definitely in the uplands and are provided by watersheds that generate water through streams and rivers. Okay, I go back for 1 second to the original list that was provided in December at inception, and that time Tankersan was immediately chosen in a way because it was larger. Cognac is a smaller system of about 1,000 hectares. So we took on, and it was agreed to take on Tankersan, which is much bigger and required much more biting to get through it. In Battambang there were two systems, of which the second one had very little information and was mainly new construction. Pre-Chick existed, it was big, and it was even at that time mentioned by Mr. Chancellor that might be quite a costly affair, but we ended up with these two, so here we go. Tankersan and Kampong Tom. If you visit Tankersan for the first time, you notice a few things that I have labeled 1, 2, 3, 4.